Hello friends, Assalamualaikum. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. May Allah bless you and keep smiling. Always be happy in your life. First of all, thank you for supporting me and welcome back my YouTube channel. I want to share crochet article design and I hope you like this video. This video I am sharing baby small top pattern designs summer top. So viewers, don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. All color design for baby top pattern design in this video. In this video you will see all color designs. Your choice for different color design. This is a pattern or having to all fabulous design from easy. Some people like bright colors and some people like light colors. And some people like bright colors. The fashion lovers are always searching for cute and unique ideas and plan to work together. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video very amazing and helpful for you. Please share this video to your friend and family members. Be connected with me.